Hey, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. I haven't done this in a while, so we're going to do another one thanks to my daughter and my dog Jax. Maybe we're going to get him in the picture here. Great. And they're over there, Missed Call by Treaty Oak Revival. It's a guitar song, but I have a guitar patch. We're going to use Clean Solid. Here's what it sounds like. That's all we're going to focus on today. First thing are the chords are A, which is A, C sharp, and E, B minor, which is B, D, and F sharp, and then it's an F sharp minor with a D bass. So there's the D in the bass, and an F sharp minor inverted, which is A, C sharp, F sharp, and this D chord. There you go. And it sounds like. So we're not just playing the straight chords, we're actually playing the line that he plays on the guitar. Here's the line. It goes A, that's one. Next one. First one. B. So he only plays that last chord all together. Let me do one in time. One more time. And sounds like this. So on and so on. I'm just improvising over it, but that's the basic line. All right, have fun practicing. Thanks so much for watching and subscribe to our channel.